The Indian Hills Fire Protection District needed a pump rebuild on this international 4900 4x4 Type 3 apparatus. This uniquely designed pump was in need of a complete pump rebuild and new plumbing. In order to make the repair, SVI Refurb had to remove the body and pump. With the body removed, the team began the rebuild process on the waterless pump and fitted the new stainless steel plumbing. Once the pump was repaired, the body was remounted. With the upgrades completed, the SVI Refurb team tested the pump at its factory test facilities to ensure proper functionality. Yet another apparatus provided with extra life thanks to the SVI Refurb team.